Hi, I am Alex, CTO and co-founder of Webvizio. I am thrilled to introduce you to our new feature, the AI prompt generator. If you're unfamiliar with Webvizio, it is a bug reporting tool that lets you create detailed issue reports in seconds. The new Webvizio AI prompt feature allows you to generate AI prompt for AI coding assistants and agents. Let me show you how it works. This is a test application we are using for demo purposes. There is a bug on the account page. The upload new photo button is unresponsive, preventing the avatar image from uploading when clicked. Let's report this bug with Webvizio widget right on the top of a live web page. But let's make it a bit more challenging. The bug is found by a non-technical user who cannot provide any technical specifics. It could be a non-technical stakeholder or a client. I will provide as few details as possible. So let's just say it's not working. It's not working. Done. Let's move to the task page. As you can see, Webvizio automatically collects all crucial technical information related to this task, including browser info, console logs, network logs, and user actions. To fix the issue with any available AI tool, you can simply copy a ready-to-use AI prompt by clicking on this AI button. Now let's paste the copied prompt into the IDE AI assistant window. In my case, I use Windsurf from Codium. Okay. While our AI agent working on our task, I will tell you a little bit more about this feature. Firstly, the Webvizio AI prompt contains all necessary information for the AI agent to understand the task, which element and page it refers to, and provides all the necessary data for solving the issue. Secondly, the AI prompts generated by Webvizio are universal and will work with any AI agent or AI coding assistant. The only requirement is that your AI tool must have access and be able to work with entire code base of the project, not just current source code file. For best performance, we recommend using AI coding agents that can make changes to the project code themselves. But it's important to remember that the final outcome still depends on the chosen AI tool and the LLM model. Still, Webvizio ensures that your coding AI tool has all the necessary information to perform the task correctly. Meanwhile, our AI agent has completed the task. Let's accept the changes and check the results. As you can see, the issue was fixed and the new avatar has been successfully uploaded. The entire process took us just 1 minute. Give Webvizio a try for free and experience the new AI prompt feature firsthand. We hope you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching.